Listening practice tips. First tip. Enjoy the story and get a general sense of the plot. Second tip. Focus on understanding every word and phrase. Try to visualize the scenes in your mind. Third tip. Pay attention to the pronunciation and intonation of the narrator. Fourth tip. Repeat after the narrator, trying to mimic the pronunciation and rhythm of the sentences.
One sunny morning, a group of friends decided to go on an adventure deep into the jungle. There were 4 of them: Jack, Lisa, Tom, and Sarah. They were excited and a little bit nervous, as none of them had ever been in a jungle before. They packed their backpacks with water, snacks, a map, and a compass, ready for a day of exploration. As they entered the jungle, they were immediately surrounded by the dense, lush greenery. The air was humid, and the sounds of the jungle filled their ears. Birds chirped melodiously, insects buzzed, and the leaves rustled gently in the breeze. The friends walked along a narrow path, their eyes wide with wonder. Jack, who was leading the group, suddenly stopped. "Look over there," he whispered. The others followed his gaze and saw a family of monkeys swinging from tree to tree. The monkeys chattered and played, completely unbothered by the presence of the humans. Lisa took out her camera and snapped a few pictures, capturing the playful energy of the monkeys. They continued their journey, marveling at the variety of plants and animals they encountered. Brightly colored flowers dotted the landscape, and they spotted a toucan with its vibrant beak perched on a high branch. Tom, who loved birds, was thrilled to see such a beautiful creature up close. After walking for a couple of hours, they decided to take a break by a small, clear stream. They sat down on the rocks and took out their snacks. As they ate, they noticed a butterfly with stunning blue wings fluttering nearby. Sarah held out her hand, and to her surprise, the butterfly landed on her finger. She smiled in delight as it stayed there for a few moments before flying away. Feeling refreshed, the friends continued deeper into the jungle. They followed the map to a hidden waterfall that they had heard about from a local guide. The sound of rushing water grew louder as they approached. Finally, they saw it. A magnificent waterfall cascading down into a crystal-clear pool. The sight was breathtaking. The friends couldn't resist the temptation to swim. They changed into their swimsuits and jumped into the cool water. They laughed and splashed around, enjoying the refreshing break from the heat. After a while, they climbed out and sat on the rocks, letting the sun dry their skin. As the day started to wind down, they realized it was time to head back. They gathered their belongings and began the trek back to the edge of the jungle. The journey back seemed shorter, perhaps because they were so full of the day's adventures. When they finally emerged from the jungle, they were tired but happy. They had experienced the beauty and mystery of the jungle firsthand and created memories they would cherish forever. The adventure had brought them closer together and made them appreciate the wonders of nature even more.
Comprehension questions. Comment the answers. Who were the 4 friends that went on the jungle adventure? What did they pack in their backpacks? What animals did they see in the jungle? Where did they take a break and what happened during the break? What was the highlight of their adventure? How did the friends feel at the end of the day?